Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. Today's video is my March favourites. I've been really wanting to film this video for ages. My phone keeps going off as well, like my Twitter's going mental at the minute. So if you can hear a buzz all the time, sorry about that. But yeah, today's video is going to be my March favourites. I've been wanting to film this video for like a few days now because I'm like itching to share with you guys the things that I have absolutely been loving this last month. I've made a conscious effort this month to properly do my March favourites, to properly do my monthly favourites like every single month without fail. So let's see if we can or not. I'm going to start off with beauty favourites and then head into like a couple of other like really random ones. I have quite a few, so I'm just going to get straight into I can't even speak, so I'm meant to get into it. I'm going to get straight into the video. So the first one which I have got on my lips today is a lipstick. This is the Avon Perfectly Matte Lipstick in the shade Posh Petal. I've mentioned this in the last like probably 3 videos. First thing I love is the packaging. It's a matte packaging. These lipsticks are compared to the MAC matte ones, and I much prefer these, like without a doubt. They're just a lot more comfortable. You can see I'm wearing it on my lips now. It's like this really nice pastel, kind of like a lilac-y pink shade is the best way I can describe it. It's definitely got like a purpley tint to it. You can see I'm wearing it now, and I just really like it. They're really comfortable to wear. Even though it's matte, I can still like, I don't know, rub my lips in it, make it like creamy. It's really nice. They're not expensive at all, being from Avon. I'll pop a link down below in case you want to have a look at any of those things. But yeah, if you're into your matte lipsticks, give these a go and it will kind of like, I don't know, give you a bit of a matte epiphany, I guess. So that is the first thing that I have loved this last month. And I'm also sorry if you can hear rain. It is currently like, it's been raining all day. When is spring going to be here? I have no idea. The next thing that I have recently loved this month are these like 2 little combo together. So it's a brush and contour and highlight kit. I'll start off with the brush. This is the Zoeva Luxe Highlight Brush. It's in the number 105. I have used it today, hence why it is dirty. Look at all that coming off. That's really bad. This I use for loads of other things. I use it for contour, I've used it for blushes today, I use it for highlighter, I use it for like the highlight part of this. The highlighter thing in this I don't love as a highlighter. I wouldn't use it as a highlighter. I would use it more of like a brightener. So you have the contour colour here, which I really like. It's like a real like, it's not an orangey contour, and then this is the other shade. But like I mentioned, I wouldn't, did I say this was sleek? I hope I never said this was sleek. I hope I said it was 17 because I've got another sleek palette in there. So if I said it was sleek earlier, it's not, it's 17. Anyway, yeah, I wouldn't use it as a highlight colour. I would just say it's kind of like a brightening colour. I have it underneath my eye, and I also have it along my contour, like underneath, just to like clean it up a bit. But I've really liked this like combo together. I love this brush, I love the shape of it. It's just different being like an oval shaped brush. Still got stuff coming off it because I've literally just finished getting ready. But yeah, I love this combination. I can't rave enough about it. It's just one of those things that like you have in the bottom of your collection or your makeup bag or anything like that. And since clearing through all my makeup collection, sorting it out, popping it all in the like acrylic storage, I've just found so many new products. Well, not new, but like new to use for me, but old ones in my collection, and I'm like, I didn't even know I had this. So it's a really good thing to clear out your drawers every so often because you'll find a little gem somewhere. Next thing, we're going to body stuff. 2 of these things are actually from Body Care. The first one is the, no, they're not from Body Care, they're from the Body Shop. The first one is the Body Shop British Rose Instant Glow Body Butter. I love the packaging of this, like love it so much. Can you tell I'm feeling like the pinks at the minute? I love the colour of the pot. It's like a baby pink, and this is the mousse. It doesn't actually look like I've used that much, but you can see I have like dented it a bit. This scent to me is just so springy right now, and if you can hear the rain, you will know it's definitely not spring. I have loved using this. I tend to only kind of put, I don't like to put body butter or body cream or lotion all over me because I find it a bit like sticky and tacky, so I just tend to put it phone's going off again. I just tend to put it like where I can smell it myself. And then the other one I've used and I loved, and I've loved this for a little while now, but I don't know if I've mentioned it in the favourites yet this year. It's the Black Musk body lotion. This is more like an evening scent. It just smells like a Tom Ford counter, like it smells insane. Oh, I love it. It's like you don't need perfume with it. It's like a white one. And again, I would just pop this like on my chest or like on my arms or like on my neck. If you have the chance to go into the Body Shop and give this a sniff, definitely do, because it's absolutely beautiful. The next thing that I have been loving this month is nails. There was a time like last year, for about probably 6 months, I was having my nails done properly, going to a lady to have them done, and she's really good. She's really lovely. Did my nails like really nice, but it's expensive. When I was going through all of my makeup storage and organising it all, throwing a load of stuff away, I did the same with the drawers that are this side, and that has all my nail stuff in, all my eyelashes, hair care products and stuff, just like not makeup. And I found this pot, and this has loads of oh, really delirious today. This has loads of false nails in it, and it is the Primark pot. I don't know if Primark still do them. I went to Primark the other week, did a Primark haul. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. And I didn't look for them, but I didn't see them at the same time. So I don't know if they still do them. They do ones like, bear with me and I'll show you what they do. Where are they? Oh, maybe I don't have any left. They do like their own packets of nails. I don't know where they are. Oh, I only have like them in the little packets like this. They do their own false nails that are already like painted, which again I loved. But I found these in my collection and I never used to use these. I don't know why. I think I bought them to like paint them, but I never used to do that. So now I've come up with my own little thing, and there's a video coming up very soon to talk more about it and show you what I do and how to get them like this. So I've started using false nails and putting gel on top of them, and this is like the result of them. And I'm not being funny, they're pretty similar to, obviously I can't say like they're the same, but you know, they're pretty similar to paying a lot of money each month to have them done at the salon. But there's a video coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that, because I'll show you like every single step that I do to get nails like this. Next, what else have I been loving? Ooh, this. So this was actually a gift. So my boyfriend rang me and he was coming from work. He rings me like this. He was like, I've got your present. And he's the kind of person, he can keep a secret to this extent of like, if you told him a secret, he would never go and tell somebody. But if it's like a surprise thing, like a nice thing, he can't control himself. He can't keep it a secret. Like he just wants, like for my birthday last year, he was like trying to tell me basically what he had bought me, and I knew he had got me the laptop that he had bought me, because he basically told me. And then he was like, how do you know they got your laptop? Like, because you told me. So he just can't keep a secret. So he bought me a present and then rings me from work. He's like, oh, I bought your present, guess what it is? He kept it a secret, but he got me this, which I've got to an age where my boyfriend buys me this because he knows I'm gonna like it, and I'm like really grateful for him to get me this. I don't think I even spoke English then. This is the Oral-B Pro 2 2000 watt 3D white pressure control 2-minute something rechargeable toothbrush. It's pink. So I really wanted the gold one. There was a gold one of these, like a rose gold, not gold, rose gold of these, but it was literally like £200. I was like, £200 for a toothbrush? I paid £200 for a toothbrush. So this, it was on offer in Tesco and Sainsbury's, and he went especially to Tesco. They didn't have it, and then I don't know what shop he actually ended up getting it from. Maybe was it Argos? Could have been Argos. I'm not too sure where he got it from in the end, but basically he got it from somewhere that didn't have the discount, so he paid £40 for it, where it was £25 in Sainsbury's or Tesco. But I love it, and I never thought I'd be excited over a toothbrush. So it's a rechargeable one. It has like 2 different settings, so you like put it on and it goes quite loud, tap again it goes down, tap again it goes off. But it also has this red light on the back, where if you push too hard, the light comes on, so like if you're scrubbing like too hard, it tells you, which you'd be amazed. Like, I can't believe how like obviously much pressure I was like putting on my teeth, because it goes off all the time. So that's actually a really, really good like handy thing to have on a toothbrush. And it also like pulses there's loads it does. It can probably like make me a cup of tea. But yeah, I really, really like it. I'm excited to see what it looks like in the new bathroom. The new bathroom is like white and marble, and it's just like beautiful. So I'm like really excited to see what it looks like. I never thought I'd be excited over a toothbrush, but I'm sitting here telling you all how excited I am over a toothbrush. It's ridiculous. Another thing I have loved is the Greatest Showman. If you saw my vlog from a few weeks ago, you'll have seen that me and my boyfriend went to go and watch it. I'm obsessed with it. I love the songs. Like, I know the words more or less off by heart, and to be honest, I haven't listened to it that much to be able to know the words, but I absolutely love it. It's like the best film of like my time. People are still tweeting me today. I absolutely love it. So if you haven't seen The Great Showman, go watch it. If you haven't listened to the soundtrack, listen to it. It's absolutely amazing. It's like all the emotions. You have the soundtrack of like the boy at the beginning and like how cute it all is, and then like he grows up. Oh, I just love it. He grows up, and then it's just such like I don't know, there's upbeat songs, there's powerful ballads in there, the emotion, you got the love story that's going on. It's just like has every single emotion, every single like little storyline. It's just like so good, and I love it. Like, I'm obsessed. Ow. And the last two things I have been loving are YouTubers. I might make this into like a little bit of a section and be like, the YouTubers I've been loving that you should check out this month are blah 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 blah. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Louise Pentland from Sprinkle of Glitter. I don't know if she still goes by that, because she made this whole thing about how she didn't want to like associate with that much anymore of Sprinkle of Glitter. But yeah, I love Louise, like love her. She just seems like one of these people who has like a really warm aura about her, and like I think my boyfriend gets a bit annoyed at me talking about her. I talk about her all the time. Like I'll go into the shop and like Louise would have mentioned something in like her video, and I'll be like, oh, I'll be like, babe, everyone says that this is so good. And he's like, who's everyone? I'm like, okay, so just Louise. Like I really like her, and she's one of these people who I trust her opinion. If she says this is good or this is not good, I will like trust completely her opinion. I love her weekly vlogs. I watch them religiously. I'll pop a channel down below, but I'm sure everybody who's watching this knows Louise. I just blooming love her. She just seems like such a nice, genuine person. Like, yeah, I love her. And she was in my area like over the weekend, and I was like, I went on Instagram and I saw it on there, and I was like so gutted, because I was like in the same town at the same time. And I just kind of wish that I had seen her, not gonna lie. But yeah, love Louise. I'm gonna stop talking about her. The next person I've loved is Emma from Birmingham. We have two. She's also friends with Louise, so I kind of have got to know her through Louise. But I think I followed her on Twitter ages ago, and then she started being in videos with Louise, and that's how I'm like, oh, that's her kind of thing. But I've heard about her for a really long time. She's a fellow Brummie, so I love her as well. And she just is like she's so her. She's so like not trying to be anybody else. She's just doing her thing, and to me that's really good. She's not trying to be somebody else for YouTube. She doesn't, you know, she's just herself. And like, I'm sure if she ever saw this, which I doubt she ever will, but I'm sure she wouldn't mind me saying that she's weird, but in like the best possible way. She's like little stupid things that I do that I edit out of videos, like she lives in, and I don't know, I find her hilarious. Like, she's so funny, and she just seems like a really fun person. So yeah, her and Louise are definitely like my two faves to watch. They both do like weekly vlogs and stuff. They both have kids, and yeah, I just love them both at the minute, to be honest. I've loved them for a long old time. But yeah, I hope that you like this video. Before you leave, if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I upload 3 times a week, on a Monday, a Wednesday and a Friday, all at 5 PM. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. I would love to have you here. I hope you all have a lovely weekend if you're watching this so it goes up. If not, I just hope you're having a lovely day regardless of what day it is, and I will see you all very soon for another video.